Welcome back, guys. It's finally here, turkey season. It's been a long wait, but tomorrow's opening morning, April 10th. I've been doing a lot of scouting, probably 2 to 3 weeks of scouting. I know there's multiple birds on this property. I've hunted this property since I was a little kid, so I got a pretty good idea of what they do, but they are turkeys, so who knows what's gonna happen. But we're gonna go see if we can put one to bed tonight. I hope. I got a pretty good idea where they're gonna be. Usually there's a ridge, 2 ridges, and they roost in this little bowl. You don't know which ridge they're gonna go to, but there's multiple birds there, so I'm feeling pretty good. So I'll see you guys out there tonight. All right. Well, it's finally here, opening day.
So, yeah,
I'm excited. I got like 2 hours of sleep, but that wasn't my choice. I just couldn't fall asleep. Kept hearing these turkey gobbles whenever I was almost asleep. So we're gonna go try to get this bird and we'll see what happens. I got pretty good hope. I'm tired, but turkey season's finally here. All right, let's go get this bird. Well, we didn't get any birds this morning. The bird that we had roosted pitched straight down, hen came right to him. There was a lot more birds there than we initially thought. Just none of it worked out. We didn't want to spook them. We weren't set up for all of them. We expected him to pitch down. So whenever he didn't, we couldn't get to the ridges to him. So that messed with us. Then we had another bird come into the bottom with us, and then 3 coyotes spooked him. So that sucks, but we're gonna go get one roosted tonight. I know exactly where to go, which is where we should have went this morning, but it is what it is, and we'll see you guys out there, and hopefully we get one roosted. All right, see you guys. Well, it's day 2. Didn't get a bird roosted last night. Well, I know where the hens are. There's probably like 12 to 15 of them. There's a certain tree they always stay in. They're on our side of the road, and only one bird gobbled, but he was across the road. Now, it was a little humid last night, so I know there's birds there. Obviously, from yesterday morning, there was way more birds than that gobbled the night before, so we're gonna sneak in there and hopefully get pretty close to these hens, and hopefully we get a gobbler to come to us at some point. Or there might be one there already, but we just haven't heard them. So I'll try to get good footage of them on the limb. Yesterday it didn't work out because the bird flew down and we thought he flew down to us, and then it was just chaotic trying to get on him. So we'll see how the footage comes out today, and hopefully we get one. All right, see you guys out there. That's longbeard right there. Oh my God. That did not just happen. Oh. That is what I'm talking about. Did you get him on camera?
Never saw him. Oh. I saw you raise up, I turned the camera, and then you cut him loose. Oh, he was just enough over that rise. I saw you go like this. I was like, oh, here he is.
I never seen him, and then his fan went, like I was like, oh my God, he's at like 10 yards. That ain't the same bird.
That's a damn good one though, look at him. Oh, shoot some of that 3-year-old.
I bet that's that bird.
Take that. Oh man. Oh, looky.
Oh, a little double beard action.
I left it recording.
That did not just happen.
Oh yeah, it did.
Holy shit. I don't know how big my eyes were when I turned around. I was like, he's right here. Holy crap.
He had to been just over that lip when I was hoping he'd hammer off again right there at the end.
Did you hear him drum?
Yeah.
I was like, I seen his tail fan. He sounded like he was over here. Oh.
Man, he come right to us. I mean, right to us.
That's unreal. Oh, I got it on it too.
Oh, I hope, because I didn't. All I got was him gobble, and then you were turning, and I turned the camera, and then badoo.
Well, we got one. I know that's gonna be a little hard to follow, so I'll tell you some of the backstory. So the previous morning we had filmed all that bird gobbling, and he worked away and we never got him. So I went back last night to roost. He never gobbled, nothing. Well, when we walked in this morning, he was in the same tree that he was in the night before, or morning before, and we spooked him and he flew away. So we just kept going. We went up on this ridge that we know birds like to go, and we listened all morning, and there wasn't a lot of gobbling, and we had one bird in front of us, but he had a bunch of hens. So we sat there for a few hours and we just called and kept quiet for the most part. And the bird was on the other ridge and he was with hens, but he gobbled every once in a while. Well, next thing you know, this bird gobbles behind us at 60 yards, and it was the bird from that morning that we spooked, and he was coming back quiet. He gobbled, but he didn't want anything to do with us. So he left and he went down to the bottom field, which is where we hunted him yesterday. And he was just out there strutting, and I got some footage of it, but I'm not real sure how good it is. And he went into the first field that he was at yesterday morning, and it was like he went there to make sure it was safe still. And once he decided it was safe, he just started gobbling. And we went to the end of this ridge and we started calling, and he kept answering, kept answering, kept answering. This bird crossed the creek, but he went quiet when that happened. So he goes quiet, and next thing you know, he gobbles at 50 yards. And I'm not sure if that's on camera, but he gobbled at 50 yards, and I was like, oh boy. So he came, I thought he was going right, so did Dusty, so that's why the kill is not on camera. And next thing you know, you just hear him walking, and I was like, what the heck do I hear? It was him drumming, and I seen his tail fan at 15 yards, and he just, and I seen his head come out, and I just blasted him. This bird, he's not super heavy, he's only 22 pounds. He's 49 inches long, but his spurs are huge. He has 1 3/8 spurs. Here, I'll show you guys. They are huge. It's one of the biggest spurred turkeys I've ever seen. It's 49 inches long, just a beautiful bird. 11-inch beard. I love turkey hunting, but sometimes it is super frustrating. Like yesterday, he didn't do what we wanted. Today he didn't do what we wanted. We almost messed it up. But 9:20 this morning, we got him to come in. Sometimes them later hunts are way better than the roost. I love shooting birds off the roost, but half the time it never works out like that. So we got this one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I got 2 more tags in Illinois, then I think I'm going to Missouri for some. But finally got one in 2 days. Didn't get one opening day, but these birds are awesome to hunt. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week, hopefully. All right, bye.